Hello everyone. Let's learn about function arguments in one program. Okay, there are four types of function arguments in Python: default arguments, keyword argument, positional arguments, and variable number of arguments. Okay, in default arguments we have default values, and in keyword argument we have to pass the parameter name. In positional argument we have to pass the value in correct order. Okay, so let's open your editor and let's see how it's working. So I'm writing here def greet, which is function, and I'm adding here arguments. So I'm writing here name comma greeting. I'm adding here value of this greeting. Okay, so this is the default argument. In default argument we have to define value. Okay, so I'm writing here print greeting comma name. So let's print this value. So I'm writing here greeting comma name, and let's call this function. So I'm writing here greet in bracket. I'm entering here Alice. Okay, click on run. As you can see here is showing hello Alice. Okay, so here name value is Alice and greeting value is hello. So that's why here is showing hello Alice. Okay, so we have to add, let's suppose, exclamation mark. Let's concatenate this exclamation mark. Okay, so I'm writing here plus exclamation mark. Again, click on run. So here is showing hello Alice. Okay, so this is the simple argument first, which is default argument. So this is the default argument, and in this function call we have defined here value. So this is positional argument. In positional argument we have to enter value of the argument in correct order. Okay, so here name value is Alice. Okay, so again let's call this function. So I'm writing here greet in bracket. I'm entering here values. Okay, so let's suppose Bob comma hi. So this is again positional argument. Okay, click on run. As you can see here is showing hello Alice, hi Bob. Okay, so here name value is Bob and greeting is hello. Okay, so this is again positional argument. Let's talk about with third function, which is keyword argument. Okay, so I'm calling this function third time. Greet in bracket, I'm entering here values. Name is equal to Harry and greeting is equal to, let's suppose, hey. Okay, so this is the keyword argument. In keyword argument we have to pass the parameter name. Okay, click on run. As you can see here is showing hello Alice, hi Bob, hey Harry. Okay, hey Harry, which is keyword argument, and this name value is Harry and greeting value is hey. Okay, like this you can use arguments in Python. These are the three arguments in Python: default argument, positional argument, and keyword argument. Next, let's see what is variable length argument. Okay, in variable length argument, arguments that accept any number of values. Okay, sometimes we don't know how many arguments we will need to pass. With args we can pass any number of arguments and the function will handle them. Okay, so let's open your editor. So I'm writing here def, I'm writing here function name, add numbers in bracket. I'm entering here arguments asterisk numbers. Okay, and let's return this value. So I'm writing here return sum of numbers. So I'm writing here sum in bracket numbers. Let's call this function. So I'm writing here add numbers and I'm writing here any value of these numbers. So I'm writing here 1 to 3 and let's print this value. So I'm writing here print add numbers 1 to 3. Okay, click on run. So here is showing 6, which is sum of these numbers. Okay, this is the first example. So let's talk about with another example. I'm adding here, I'm calling this function again. Okay, so let's replace this value. So I'm writing here you can add any number of argument as you want in this variable length argument. Okay, so I'm adding here 4378921. Okay, again click on run. As you can see here is showing 6 and 34. Like this you can use variable length argument in Python. If you have any query then you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.